Your Dave Advance limit can change over time, but there isn't a button you can press to unlock a higher amount. The app reviews your account activity and eligibility on an ongoing basis, so consistent account behavior matters more than making repeated requests. By the end of this video, you'll know what actually helps increase your Dave limit over time and which common habits don't make a difference. The first thing to focus on is keeping your linked bank account active. Dave relies on the information from that connected account to evaluate eligibility. Continue using the same primary account for your income and everyday banking, instead of frequently switching accounts or disconnecting them. Next, make sure your income is deposited consistently. Regular deposits help the app understand your cash flow and account activity. If your paycheck changes banks every few weeks or your linked account stops receiving deposits, your eligibility may also change. Repaying advances on time is another important habit. When an advance is repaid according to the agreed schedule, your account stays in good standing. Missing repayments or having payment issues can affect future eligibility, so it's worth checking that your payment method stays current. Keep your bank connection healthy as well. If the app loses access to your bank account because credentials expire or permissions are removed, reconnect the account as soon as possible. Able connection gives Dave the information it needs to continue reviewing your account. You should also keep your profile information accurate. If your income source, phone number, or banking details change, update them inside the app instead of leaving outdated information on your account. One thing that usually doesn't help is requesting a higher limit over and over again. Dave reviews eligibility automatically, so submitting repeated requests won't force an increase. The better approach is maintaining consistent account activity and checking the app periodically for any updates to your available advance amount. If your limit stays the same for an extended period, review your linked account for interrupted deposits, recent repayment issues, or connection problems. Fixing those issues gives your account the best chance to be reviewed correctly the next time eligibility is updated. To recap, keep your primary bank account connected, maintain consistent deposits, repay advances on time, and make sure your account information stays current. Those are the actions that support long-term eligibility reviews. Your next step is simple. Open the Dave app, verify that your bank connection is active, and check whether all of your account information is up to date. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple app tutorials and troubleshooting guides.